Hi everyone, in this video we are going to go over the upper function in Excel. We will start by going into cell O11 and we will format all the cities in all capital letters. Then we are going to replace the current city data with the newly formatted one, and then we will delete column O when we finish everything. So let's head over to O11. We start every formula and function with an equal sign. We can start typing upper UPPER. Once you see it come up, go ahead and click tab on your keyboard. This will open the function. We can see it's asking us for a piece of text. In this case, it's going to be our first city. So that's going to be in cell D11. Once you have that selected, go ahead and close your parentheses and hit enter. You'll notice now all the characters in the city's name is capitalized. So now if we want to drag that down for all the other cities, we could click back on O11 in the bottom right-hand corner, click and drag your autofill handle all the way down and let go. Now I'm going to reselect everything. So I'm going to use Control Shift down arrow, and then we can copy it. And we want to paste this data on top of the existing city data. So we'll go back into D11. This time we're going to go to the Home tab where it says paste. There's a little drop down arrow. Go ahead and open that. And we'll open paste special. This just makes it very clear to see what we want to paste. In this case, we want to only do the values. So we'll choose values, click OK. And you'll see they paste it over. Our last step is to delete column O. So you can right click on O and choose delete.